Hello friends, in this video tutorial, we learn how to edit or update or change exam details in this online examination system using PHP. In previous part, we have seen how to create new online exam in this PHP Online Examination System using Ajax with PHP using Bootstrap modal. So, now in this part, we will how to edit or update existing exam data by using Bootstrap modal with PHP and Ajax. For this, first we have to make edit button and display in each line of examination data. For this we have go to Ajax Action.php file. And here we have create $edit button variable is equal to blank value. Below this, we have write if statement and under condition, we have write $exam object, with isExam is not started method, with $row online exam ID variable. This method will check, exam has been started or not. If exam not started, then it will execute if block of code, and make edit button, otherwise it will not make edit button code. For this method, we have go to examination class, and here we have make isExam is started or not method, with $exam ID variable as object. Under this method, first we have write $current date time variable is equal to PHP function which will return current date and time. After this, we have write $exam date time variable is equal to blank value. Below this, we have write this with query variable is equal to select online exam date time from online exam table, where online exam ID is equal to $exam ID variable value. For get query result, here we have write $result variable is equal to $this, with query result method, it will return query execution result. For fetch data from this $result variable, here we have write for each loop, and under condition we have write $result variable, as $row variable. Under this loop, we have write $exam date time variable is equal to $row online exam date time variable. Now we have write if statement and under condition we have write $exam date time variable value is greater than $current date time variable value. If this condition true, that means exam is not started and it will execute if block, and here we have write return true statement. Now we have go to Ajax Action.php file, and here we have write $edit button variable is equal to, button type is equal to button, name and class is equal to edit. Here we have add ID attribute is equal to $row online exam ID variable, and button text we have write edit. We will use class attribute and ID attribute value in jQuery code. And for display edit button, here in last $subarray variable, here we have write $edit button variable. Friends, here we have refresh page, and after this here we can see edit button, in that row which exam is still not started, and it will not display edit button, in that row, which exam is completed. So, when we'll click on this edit button, then filled exam details modal will be pop up, for update exam details. For this, we have go to exam.php file, and here we have define exam ID variable is equal to blank value. Below this, we have write $ with document selector with on method, and under this we have right click event, with button class edit, so when we have click on edit button, this block of code will execute. Under this, we have write exam ID variable is equal to $this with attribute method, and under this we have write ID, this method will fetch value of this ID attribute. After this, we have called reset form function, it will reset all form field value. Now we have start write Ajax request, with first option URL set to Ajax Action.php, it will send request to this PHP file. In second option, we have write method, and it will post method for send data to server. In third option, we have write data option, and here we can define which data we want sent to server, so here have write action variable, with edit fetch value, exam ID variable value, page variable with exam value. In fourth option, we have write data type, and here we have defined JSON data type. Lastly, we have write success callback function, this function will be called if Ajax request completed, and it will receive data in JSON format. Under this function, we have write $, with text box ID online exam title, with value method, and under this we have write data.online exam title variable, it will fill exam title text box. For fill, date, and time text box, here we have write $ with text box ID online exam date time, with value method, and under this we have write data.online exam date time. For select exam duration select box value, so here we have write $ with select box ID online exam duration, with value method, and under this, we have write data.online exam duration variable. For select total question select box value, here we have write $, with select box ID total question, with value method, and under this we have write data.total question variable. Same way for select right answer select box value, here we have write select box ID marks per right answer, with value method, and under this we have write data.marks per right answer variable. And for select wrong answer select box, here we have write $ with select box ID, marks per wrong answer, with value method, and under this we have write data.marks per wrong answer. Now we want to set value of hidden field online exam ID, so here we have write $ with hidden field ID online exam ID, with value method, and under this we have write exam ID variable. For change modal title, here we have write $ with division tag ID modal title, with text method, and under this we have write text like edit exam details. For change submit button value, here we have write $, with submit button ID button action, with value method, and under this we have write edit. For define value of hidden field with ID action, so for this we have write $ with hidden field ID action, with value method, and under this we have write edit. And lastly for pop-up modal on web page, here we have write $ with modal ID form modal with modal method, and under this we have write show, so it will pop up modal on web page. Now we have go to Ajax Action.php file, and here we have write $post action variable is equal to edit fetch. If this condition true, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block, we have write $exam object with query variable is equal to select star from online exam table, where online exam ID is equal to $post exam ID variable. For execute this select query, and get query execution result, here we have write $result variable is equal to $exam object with query result method. And for fetch data from this $result variable, here we have write for each loop, with condition like $result variable as $row variable. Under this loop, we have write $output online exam title variable is equal to $row online exam title variable. For store exam data and time data, here we have write $output online exam date time variable is equal to $row online exam date time variable. For store exam duration data, here we have write $output variable is equal to $row online exam duration variable. For store exam total question data, here we have write $output total question variable is equal to $row total question variable. For store right answer marks data, here we have write $output marks per right answer variable is equal to $row marks per right answer variable. And lastly, for store wrong answer mark, here we have write $output marks per wrong answer variable is equal to $row marks per wrong answer variable. Now we want to send this data to Ajax request in JSON format. Here we have write echo statement with JSON encode method, with $output variable. Now we have check output in browser. Friend, first we have refresh web page, and now we have click on this edit button. After click on edit button, here we can see modal has been pop up in browser. Here we can see modal title has been changed, and all form field has been filled with data, and here we have see submit text has been changed to text. When we have click on this button, then form data will be submitted using Ajax, which code we have already write at the time of create new exam. So, we have directly go to Ajax Action.php file for write PHP script, and here we have write if statement, and under condition we have write $post action variable value is equal to edit. If this condition true, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block, we have write $exam object with data variable is equal to array. In array first key, we have write $online exam title, and in value we have write $post online exam title variable. In array second key, we have write : online exam date time, and in value we have write $post online exam date time variable. In array third key, we have write : online exam duration, and in value we have write $post online exam duration variable. In array fourth key, we have write : total question, and in value we have write $post total question variable. In array fifth key, we have write : marks per right answer, and in value we have write $post marks per right answer variable. In array sixth key, we have write : marks per wrong answer, and in value we have write $post marks per wrong answer variable. In array seventh key, we have write : online exam ID, and in value we have write $post online exam ID variable. Now we have proceed for write update data query. We have write $exam object, with query variable is equal to update online exam table. Set online exam title is equal to : online exam title, online exam date time is equal to online exam date time, online exam duration is equal to online exam duration. Total question is equal to total question, marks per right answer is equal to marks per right answer, marks per wrong answer is equal to marks per wrong answer. Where online exam ID is equal to online exam ID, so this update query will change particular exam details. For execute query, we have write $exam object with execute query method, and under this we have write $exam object with data variable. This method will execute above update query, and it will update exam data. After this we have write $output variable is equal to array. And in this array, we have write success key, and in value we have write exam details has been changed. This message will be displayed on web page at admin side. Now we want to send this data to Ajax request in JSON format, so here we have write JSON encode method, with $output variable, so here our code is ready. Now have check output in browser. Friends, first we have refresh web page, and after this first we have click on this edit button. After click on this edit button, here we can see modal has been pop up on web page, with exam details form with filled form details, and here modal title and submit button text has been also changed. Now we have make some changes in exam details, and after this we have click on edit button. After click on edit button, here we can see success message on web page. So here on web page we can see updated exam details on web page, in jQuery data table. So this way we can change exam details, but we can change only those exam details, which is still not started. Already completed exam details, we cannot be edited. So in this part we have seen how to edit exam details using PHP Script with Ajax using Bootstrap for modal. In next part we will learn how to delete or remove exam details. If you have some suggestion regarding this PHP based online examination system, you can comment in comment box. If you want to learn this system, please stay connected with us.